Hello! Good afternoon mga palangga! Ay, busy day today. Hala, nandito na yung napanalunan ko. Nanalo ako sa lottery, charot. Totoo, nanalo talaga ako sa lottery at ito na yung aking napanalunan. Sumasali ako ng lottery dito, like Euro Millions, Postcode Lottery, lahat ng lottery, pero hindi tayo siniswerte. Ngayon lang tayo sinuwerte na makatanggap ng prize. Ito yung napanalunan ko. Ito siya. Sinuwerte tayo. Postcode Lottery. So, kung curious kayo kung ano yung napanalunan ko, ito siya. Makikita niyo. Tadadan! Dan! Dan! There you go. It's a book. Yan. Juju Moyes. The 1+1. And then, yung isa is nababa. Nakikita nyo naman. Oh, you can read it. Yung second book is The Girl You Left Behind. Curious ako dito sa title pa lang. Kaya ayun, ito yung pinili kong libro. There's option kung ano yung libro na pipiliin mo. Pero ito. Hindi naman talaga ako mahilig magbasa ng libro. Pero dahil napanalunan and libre naman, well, you know what I mean. So, kailangan ko pumili ng libro kasi ma-expire kasi siya pag hindi mo siya clean. Amoy libro. I have this habit of smelling things. Hindi naman lahat, pero like sa pagkain or basta meron talaga akong bad habit smelling things. Thank you. Thank you, Postcode Lottery. So, swinerte tayo. Yan, 2 libro. Right, so ngayon magluluto tayo ng chicken. So ito, minarinate ko yung chicken para mas manuot yung lasa. Mapapanood nyo yung video na minarinate ko siya, mauuna siya. So ito parang continuation na lang kasi while nag-i-edit ako, sobrang sobrang haba na. Oh, I want oil, not a clean cow. Ito yung chicken. Ipapat-dry lang natin siya. Ngayon naman, gagawa tayo ng pang-rub sa ating chicken. So, gumagamit ako ng Flora. Tansya-tansya lang. Kasi, alam nyo ba, hindi ko din kung ano yung ginagawa ko. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung ginagawa ko. So, ewan ko. A bit of garlic powder. Thyme. Oregano, basil, and itong lemon pepper salt na nabili natin sa Oriental shop. Then, i-mix lang. Mag-gloves tayo. Actually, yung loob ng chicken, lalagyan natin siya ng onion. Wala akong lemon. Onion and garlic. So, before ko hahawakan yung rub natin or before ko irarab yung chicken, prepare ko muna to. At least na lang talaga hindi umuulan. Malamig pero at least dry. natin siya. So, yung chicken, ilalagay ko siya na nakaganyan. Then, later on, i-flip over natin. So, yung oven, naka-preheat na. There you go. I-check natin yung ating chicken. Oh, it's looking good. Meron tayong thermometer dito. Sabi dito 180 yung poultry. Yes, umabot siya 180. So it's cooked. It's cooked. Yan. Honey bae, it's cooked! So, ito yung chicken natin, di ba? Ang sarap tingnan.
Want you just do one big piece?
Yes, please. Oh, looks good. Thank you, sweetheart.
Is that enough?
Yeah.
We've got another meal in there.
Yeah. Gravy?
Stuffing.
Oh yeah, stuffing. We have stuffing as well.
You don't like it, do you?
Just a little bit. I'm not fan of it. Meron din tayong gravy dito. Just a little, and that's it. That's enough. I'm really hoping that it tastes alright.
Come on.
Where do you want your gravy?
On the chicken and well everywhere.
Thank you. Kain. Good morning! Good morning mga palangga. It's another day. So, maglalaba muna tayo ng ating bedsheet. It's such a good weather today. Merong araw. Mr. Sun is out. Yung mga aso natin, nasa labas sila. Ipagpapatuloy natin tong ating pag-a-alter sa ating uniform. Kasi yun na nga, nakabili na ako ng sinulid. So, ipa-fast forward ko kayo mga palangga ha. So, ito na yung ating finished product. So, natahi ko na siya. Yan. So, ang ginawa ko, kinunan ko siya ng length. Yan. And yung sleeve din, kinunan ko siya ng width kasi sobrang laki sa akin. Hindi ko na siya kinunan ng length kasi ang length ng sleeve sa akin okay naman. So, diba? It looks more presentable na. Mag-i-insert siguro ako dito ng video sa before, then ito na yung after. There's a difference, diba? Hindi ako sure kung dito kasi sa bottom area. Parang pag ganun kasi siya. So, I think, ang gagawin ko, hindi ko alam para hindi siya magganon ba. So, yung gagawin ko, tatahiin ko na lang siya. Kasi meron kasi siyang slit dito. Yan, oh. Meron siyang slit. So, tatahiin ko na lang sila all together. Yan. Then, lalabhan ko. Medyo may pagka-stiff pa kasi yung material. Kasi, hindi pa talaga to nalabhan since na natanggap ko. So, anyway, yun na. So, okay naman siguro tingnan, no? Dito na lang yung parang may konting problema. Pero yung length and yung fitting, okay na siya para sa akin. Happy na ako dito. And I am thinking now to alter my old uniform. Ito, oh. Ito. Yan. Kasi sobrang hahaba nila. May mga extra spaces talaga. Lalaban ko muna tong ating uniform before ko ipa-finalize yung ating decision. Kasi diba sabi ko sa inyo na baka tatahiin ko dito kasi may pagka ganun yung ating dress. So baka one of the reason din may pagka-stiff pa yung material. So paglalabhan natin, isusukat natin ulit and see kung nandoon pa din yung pag ganun niya sa bottom. At kung ganun pa din tatahiin natin. So, yung tea natin ngayon, same lang kahapon. Kasi meron tayong leftover chicken. And magro-roast potato din tayo. So, parang uulitin lang natin yung tea natin kahapon. Ito, pinapainit ko siya, mantika. Then, tas ilalagay natin yung ating potato. We need to be very careful kasi baka tumalsik. Oh. Can you hear that sizzling? Lalagyan lang natin ng kaunting rock salt and budbudan din natin siya ng rosemary. Isusunod ko na lang yung ating carrots. Mga 15 minutes or 10 to 15 minutes isusunod natin to. Kasi yung carrots madali siyang ma-roasted kaysa sa potato. Ang sakit dito. Muscles are working. Yung weight pala na ginamit ko is 5 kilograms. I-check natin yung ating potato. Oops, nagpa-fog kayo. Hindi pa siya brown.
Half a chicken?
Half a chicken. Hinihimay ni
I
Mr.
like in a boat.
No, you can have all the legs. I don't like the
All
legs.
this, darling.
I don't want the legs. I want the body and I can just bite them off. You can have 2 legs and I have the whole chicken. Whole bone of chicken. Or you can have more if you want.
No, that's more than enough. Now, what I'm going to do is split these up. And then we're getting somewhere near ready for action, aren't we?
Okay. Yeah, because this whole chicken here, yeah, marami pa naman siyang ano
Why don't you
dito.
pull your chicken off with that?
No, it's alright. I enjoy
Picking.
So this is my this is my tea. Naku naman. Yeah, marami pa sa likod There's a lot of chicken there. Chicken meat.
Well, I can just eat them.
I'm not fan of legs, so as much as possible.
I like walking.
As much as possible, I wanted like a chicken breast. Lalo na pag pag nag-KFC kami or Jollibee, ang hinahanap ko talaga chicken breast. Iwan ko lang. So ito yung akin, ito yung plato ko. It doesn't look appealing. At kay Mr. Gravy.
How come I've got a wing on my plate?
It's my wings for you.
How you got this?
A bit more. There you go. Thank you, Mr. Hihimayin ko to. Mas nakaka-excite kasi to.
Hold. So come and stand here with your husband and lift it up. Right, now you see?
Yeah.
Look,
Yeah.
no feather. But where's it? Is it? Look, there's a big lot there though, look. How's that got into there?
Our
I don't
duvet.
understand how this has happened.
Our duvet, the feather are going to one side.
It's not
And
come
we
through.
don't know where is
We're gonna have to buy a new cover.
duvet.
See, this
Hindi
is.
namin mahanap kung saan yung butas kasi kung nakikita nyo,
This
they are so in packets.
Unless you know something, darling, we had this at that end, right? And I've always had cold feet, and I'm wondering if that's why it's been like that, right?
Yeah, it could be. We buy this as faulty
But
duvet.
since this has been, we've put it the other way around. I've never had cold feet in bed.
Well, I don't know, hon.
Just leave it. Let's put it back up just like as it is now. It works for my feet. I don't care.
Okay.
Yeah.
And that's it. We're done making our bed. Posey can go in bed now. This is from Philippines. I put this in my suitcase when I arrived here.
And all I did when I saw it, I laughed.
It's a pillow.
This is a pillow.
I caught you eating Weetabix.
My breakfast. These little kids be so slim and strong.
At least the weather today is not bad. Maaga ako nakauwi ngayon sa trabaho kasi meron sana akong pupuntahan pero kinancel ko kasi I feel like it's not worth it. So nakauwi ako 1 o'clock. So kasama tayo kay Mr. And then dadaanin tayo sa post office. Tuyo na siya. So isusukat natin to. So ito na siya. Nandito pa rin yung ganun niya mga palangga. I think sa material talaga siya. Well, pero I don't think so na it really matters na may pagganon siya. Pero mas maganda tingnan pag wala siyang ganon. Parang nag-fly away ba? So, anyway, i-alter ko siya. Pero hindi ko siya muna i-alter ngayon kasi gabi na, kailangan ko pang gumawa ng assignment. So, anyway, mga palangga, maraming salamat sa walang sawang suporta. I'll see you in my next vlog and bye! Mwah! Mwah!